In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Marksheet in Microsoft Word. This is a useful way to organize and present student grades in a clear, professional, and easy-to-read format, perfect for schools, colleges, or personal use. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Once your document is ready, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and select Table. Choose the number of rows and columns you need for your Marksheet. Typically, you'll want columns for student names, subjects, marks, total, and percentage, and additional rows for each student. After inserting the table, adjust its size to fit neatly on the page. You can do this by clicking and dragging the borders of the table. Next, label the top row with headers such as roll number, student name, subject names, total marks, and percentage. This row will serve as the heading for your Marksheet, so consider applying bold text or a larger font size to make it stand out. Now, start entering the students' names, subjects, and marks in the respective columns. You can also add formulas if you like to calculate totals and percentages automatically by using Excel first and then copying the results into Word, or by doing the calculations manually. To make your Marksheet more visually appealing and easier to read, consider formatting the table. You can adjust text alignment, change font styles, and apply shading to header rows or alternate rows for better clarity. You can also modify borders to make the table look clean and organized. If you need to add additional information, like school name, class, or date, simply insert text above the table. Use headings or different font styles to differentiate this information from the actual marks data. Finally, review your Marksheet to ensure all data is accurate and neatly presented. Save your document so you can print it or share it digitally. And that's it. You've successfully created a well-structured Marksheet in Microsoft Word that is both functional and professional looking. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.